Greeting to you, sir. My name is Rahul Deo. My roll number is 20900000074. For the business analytic assignment, I have chosen question 4 on using the pivot table on the credit risk data. So before I move on, let me just tell what pivot table is. It summarizes sorts. It's reorganize, its group counts the data table, right? It shows the column, right, table into column in bits summarized form. Okay, so to insert my pivot table, I have to click on the data, move on to insert. I can select either pivot table or recommended pivot table, but let me click on pivot table. I hope my table range is clear without any blank, right? And then existing worksheet location, let me select the location here, press OK, and there is my table. In the question, I have to choose the three options, like show this relationship between these three options, right? Number of loans by different purposes, marital status, and credit risk. So I will choose loan purpose, marital status, and credit risk, right? The table is shown there, but let me more summarize it, right? So I need the values. So to put a values here, like I can't put loan purposes, credit, marital status as loan because it does not have value. So only the one have value is the credit risk. So these are my pivot table at the moment, but I can summarize more. So let me put this, drag this marital status in the column, and let's see. So this is another way I can show my pivot table. However, I can't see any risk type, which one from which risks and high low risk. So I can also drag this credit risk in my rows and show it something like this, but still this table is in very general, it look big. So I can change this to bring credit risk up and loan purpose at the bottom. So there it is, my table looks more summarized and simple. Okay, so let me remove this blank, right? So now I have this risk, high risk, and what are the purposes of the loan, right? I have these three columns here, which includes divorced, that is the marital status, divorced, married, and single, and likewise for the laws, right? Purpose of the loan and in the marital status, right? I can make this in more summarized one where I can change it loan purposes with the rows and column. So let me take this loan purpose here and bring marital status in rows. So this is a simple and very informative and summarized pivot table, which shows this type of risk, high and low, right? And marital status, divorce, married, single, divorce, married, single, and what type of loan they apply for. So for this high, right, business 23, education 14, 43, large appliance, total comes to 211, and for low, right, it's 16, 21, 9, 42, total comes to 214, and the grand total comes to 425. So this is what pivot table is.